Hello everyone! How are you guys doing? Welcome back to our channel, The Sanchez Official. So today, for our episode of our cooking, magluluto tayo ng well-known Filipino dish called pork sisig. So recently, we had a big party. As you know, Filipinos, lagi kami may party. And then obviously, there's more, leftover, right? So that day, we have saved pork, belly, lechon. So I said, you know what I can do is gawin ko siyang sisig. So these are my ingredients. So I'm gonna show you guys kung paano ko siya gagawin. Of my style, obviously, you can always put your own twist and your own style sa pagluluto ng pork sisig. But I thought to share this to you guys and gawin natin together. So it's gonna be a fun dish. Guys, excited na ba kayo? So let's go! Lutuin na natin tong pork sisig. So first, cut natin tong onion. Ayan, na-fine chop na natin yung onion. So, let's set that aside and we'll mix it up later. Okay, next guys, let's slice our jalapeno in tiny slices. Gamitin natin to for garnish. We're just chopping it para medyo finer siya. Okay, our next step, since na-chop ko na yung onions and the jalapeno, as you can see, majority ng ingredients naka-prepare na rin. Ang next gagawin natin, we will deep fry ulit yung ating pork belly lechon. So right now, pinapainit ko lang yung oil, and then once na ready na siya, we will cook it then. There you go guys, that looks so crunchy. Okay guys, since na-deep fry na natin yung ating pork belly, so ang next step, we're gonna chop them finely. Okay? Wow, this ang lutong oh. Wow. It's like almost chicharon. There you go. Okay guys, as you can see, we finally finished yung chopping of our pork sisig. So we'll set that aside, and this time we're gonna make our mixture. Okay? Okay, first one, lagay tayo ng about 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Okay. Next, let's put about 2 tablespoons din ng ating nor seasoning, nor liquid seasoning. Then, lagyan na natin ng ating mayo. Okay. Haluin lang natin ng konti. Hanggang sa mag-melt yung mayo. Okay, this time, let's put about a tablespoon or a spoon of yung ating liver spread. So, I know typically this is being done yung pig brain, pero wala tayong pig brain, so nag-improvise na lang ako and I'll put the liver spread. There you go. Lagay natin yung ating lemon juice. Okay. Okay, let's add some pepper sa ating mixture. And a little bit of salt. There you go. And haluin lang ulit natin siya. Okay guys, for my final step, lalagay ko lang lahat ng ingredients. We will cook it for a couple of minutes lang dito sa pan. And then we'll put the plating at the end. Okay? Let's put a little bit of oil. Okay, lagay natin itong garlic. Ito. Okay guys, let's go ahead and add yung ating pork sisig. There you go. Wow, ang bango ng garlic. I'll add a little bit of our onions and some green onion leaves. Let's mix it up. Okay guys, this time let's go ahead, i-add na natin ang ating mixture. Okay. Give it a good stir. Wow, look at that guys. Looks beautiful and looks yummy. Okay, this time I'm gonna add the remaining red onions. And we'll turn off the heat. Add na rin natin yung ating green onions, onion leaves. And a little bit of our jalapeno. There you go. And this is it. It's ready to be served. Let's go tikman natin guys. Anong lasa? Wow! Spot on! Sarap! Okay, now let's put it sa plate natin. Okay? Ooh! Okay, let's serve this, guys. Sizzling. Careful lang kayo kasi baka kayo ma-hit ng mark ng Smells good. Okay, now we're gonna add the egg, guys. Again, the egg is optional. Add some jalapeno. Some lime on the top, guys. Okay, guys, let's mix this with the egg. Look at that. Ooh, that looks good. Okay, try natin, guys. Wow! Oh, ang bango! Ang super bango, guys. Okay, here we go. This is it. Let's give it a try. Wow! I got it! Ang sarap, guys! Crunchy. Because yung skin ng pork belly is so good. So I hope you guys can give this a try, and sana when you try it, please feel free to leave me a comment, and look forward to read your guys' comment and sharing if how you did it for yourself. And yeah, so more cooking to come until our next episode. Bye, guys.